So this is question from GATE 2020 electronics branch. So we have to find the state equation for this network. So I have written only one option, this is the correct option. So if you want to check other options, you can check the paper. So we are given these two currents, I1 and I2. So I1 and I2 are the input currents. So I1 and I2 are the inputs. I1 and I2 are inputs. And inductor current is I and capacitor voltage is V. So inductor current I and capacitor voltage V are called as state variables. These are the state variables for a network. So inductor current and capacitor voltage V are the state variables. So the general representation of a state matrix, general state matrix is like this. X1 dot means differentiation. So x1 dot and x2 dot is equal to matrix A. Matrix A is a 2 cross 2 matrix into matrix x1 and x2. So x1 and x2 is a 2 cross 1 matrix plus matrix B. It is again a 2 cross 2 matrix and U1 and U2 are the two inputs. So this is a 2 cross 1 matrix. So this is a general state variable representation for a network. So x1 and x2 are the two state variables, x1 dot and x2 dot are their differentiation, and u1 and u2 are the two inputs. So here we have x1 dot and x2 dot is d by dt of vi, v and I. So it is equal to A into matrix A into vi plus B into I1 I2. So we have to find the value of A matrix and the B matrix now. So we can do it very easily. So for inductor current, we can use this property. So this current is I and this current is I1. This current is I1. So this current will be equal to I1 minus I. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. This current is equal to I1 minus I. I1 minus I current is flowing through the 2 ohm resistor. So we can apply KVL here. We can apply KVL in this loop. So applying KVL, I1 minus I into 2 minus V and minus L di by dt. So L value is 0.5. So di by dt is equal to 0. So if we take di by dt on the right hand side, so this will be equal to 0.5 di by dt. So 2I1. So first we can write in V and I. So minus V minus 2I plus 2I1 is equal to 0.5 of di by dt. So if we take 0.5 on that side, so all terms will get multiplied by 2. So minus 2V minus 4I plus 4I1 is equal to di by dt. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2V minus 4I and plus 4I1. So plus 4I1, and we can also write 0I2 because I2 term is absent. So 4I1 0I2. So this is the first. So we have found this for di by dt. So we can write here di by dt is equal to minus 2V minus 4I plus 4I1 plus 0I2. So now we have to find dV by dt. So this voltage is V, so this current will be, this outgoing current will be equal to V upon I, V upon 1. This current is equal to V upon 1 because this voltage is V. So this current is equal to V upon 1. And this current is I2, so this current will be equal to I2 minus V. This current will be equal to I2 minus V. So we can write it like this. So applying Kirchhoff's current law at this node. So I is the incoming current and this I2 minus V is also the incoming current. So we can add both incoming current. So I plus I2 minus V. And the outgoing current is C dV by dt. So this is equal to C dV by dt. This is the outgoing current. So C value is 0.25. So 0.25. And if this 0.25 goes on this left hand side, then we will write 4I plus 4I2 minus 4V. So dV by dt we can write as minus 4V plus 4I plus 4I2. So we can get this matrix minus 4V, so minus 4V plus 4I, so plus 4I, and plus 0I1 is obviously, so 0I1, so 0I1 and 4I2. So this is the state matrix representation for this network. So this was a very easy question. Just remember that for inductor current apply KVL and for the capacitor voltage apply KCL. So when we apply KVL, then we got di by dt, which was the inductor current, and when we applied KCL, then we got dV by dt, which is the capacitor voltage. So in this way we can solve this state variable representation for this network. So this was a very easy question, but it was a very good conceptual question. So I have solved many other gate questions as well. So I will give the playlist of the gate questions in the description box of this video, so you can watch those gate questions as well and try to solve them. So it will be very good for your gate preparation. So please like this video and share this video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. If you want to leave any feedback, then also you can comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck for exams.